In this video, today we are going to talk about the Bitcoin Stochastic RSI and what does it mean for the upcoming next move dito kay Bitcoin price action. Well, stay tuned to know more. So hi guys and welcome back to another Gabbal cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out our next videos like this. Let's now dive into this video and let's give you a quick recap of our previous analysis. So, di ba sa ating previous analysis, what we are monitoring was the moving average dito kay Bitcoin price action kasi in the past few days, the moving averages has been a pretty good indication when it comes to understanding if malayo na ba tayo sa support area or is it a good time for us to see a correction. And yun nga, di ba, sinabi ko sa mga previous videos na right now Bitcoin is very far from our moving averages, so there's actually a lot of chance for us to for this Bitcoin price action to go back to this moving average area na bumalik siya dun sa ating support area na yan. So it could more likely retrace muna to the downside following what we have previously analyzed. So that is what we are monitoring right now if this is going to play out. But for today's video, what we are going to talk about is the stochastic RSI, kasi there's also another thing na very interesting na maganda i-monitor dito, and that is the stochastic RSI, yung mga bullish and bearish cross ng stochastic RSI. Kasi traditionally, whenever na we are seeing a stochastic RSI bullish or bearish cross, that is hinting the next Bitcoin move. And if you're going to look back in time, whenever na we are seeing those bearish cross, such as noong, kailan ba yan? Noong November 2021, ito, bearish cross noong November 2021, that has led to a bearish downward movement, bullish cross that has led into an upward trend, and then let's say meron pa tayo nakita isa pang movement, bearish cross, downtrend, bullish cross, uptrend, ano pa, bearish cross, downtrend, bullish cross, ayun, bullish cross, uptrend, bearish cross, multiple bearish crosses, downtrend, ayun, bumalik siya, bullish cross, uptrend, another bullish cross din dito, and that has also led into another uptrend. So what can we infer from this data alone? It can actually tell us na whenever na we are seeing a bullish or bearish cross that is above the 80 threshold or below the 20 threshold dito sa ating indicator dito sa stochastic RSI, that is more likely going to signify ano ba yung magiging next move dito kay Bitcoin price action. So if it is a bearish cross, then we are expecting a bearish move. But if it's a bullish cross, then we are going to expect a bullish move. So bullish cross wherein the cross is happening below the 20 threshold dito. So if it's below 20 tapos nagkaroon tayo ng cross, then yun yung ating magiging next move. It's a bullish move. Pero if let's say it's above 80 tapos nagkaroon tayo ng bearish cross, if magkaroon tayo ng cross, then we are more likely going to see a bearish downtrend. But right now, as you can see, Bitcoin is starting to form a bearish cross dito in the stochastic RSI. So buksan natin siya dito. So if it's now forming a bearish cross, then that is going to indicate we are more likely going to see a bearish movement to the downside. So right now, this is actually indicating that Bitcoin is more likely going to go down, and we have been saying this for the past 2 months now already na we are seeing a lot of bearish indicators dito with the Bitcoin price action. And if let's say na we are seeing a bearish indicator, then that is more likely going to lead into a downside price action. It's just that hindi lang siya nag-play out kaagad kasi this is currently happening in the weekly time frame. So in the weekly time frame, this is going to take a lot of days and a lot of weeks for this to play out. Kasi unlike yung mga daily time frame, 4-hour time frame, hourly time frame, or 15-minute time frame, those price actions can happen within the next few hours. But if let's say this is in the weekly time frame, then this is more likely going to happen within the next few weeks or next few months. So this is not going to immediately play out. What will happen is, of course, meron pa din yung mga short-term price action, but for the long term, this is what we are going to expect with the Bitcoin price action. So right now, within the mid to long term price action, what we are expecting is somewhat of a bearish price action within the next few months and next few days. So yun yung ating price prediction for the next few weeks when it comes to the Bitcoin price action with regards to the weekly time frame. So right now we are heading towards a bearish bias price action. So yun nakita natin for the weekly time frame. Now let's dive in sa ating mga short-term price action. So looking at this in the daily time frame, you can see na we are still at this bearish divergence dito sa ating RSI. So at this wherein the price is increasing while RSI is declining. Siguro ang good thing dito na nangyari ngayon is nagkaroon ng malaking downside dito kay Bitcoin. And as you can see, the RSI actually went down. But ang problem ko lang dyan kasi is hindi natin na-break yung ating support area dito sa ating yung support area na yun, yung broadening rising wedge na yan. So, we didn't break the support. What happened is we just saw a bounce lang dyan. So, nag-bounce lang dyan sa ating support area. So, exact bounce siya. Hindi ko ginalaw yung line na yan. Talagang nag-bounce talaga siya dyan. Exactly. Support area na yan. So, as you can see, it just made a very good bounce dito with the Bitcoin price action. But ang downside niyan is if you're going to look at this in the daily time frame and if you're going to open the 20-day moving average, you can somewhat see na we are starting to break the support area ng ating 20-day moving average. And usually kasi if nabe-break yung mga ganyang moving averages, if nabe-break natin yung mga support area na yan, that is somewhat indicating na meron tayong potential sign na this can lead into a breakdown. Kasi looking at this back in the previous times na whenever na we are breaking the support area, yung support ng 20-day moving average, that is more likely going to lead into a breakdown kay Bitcoin price action. Same goes din sa mga previous price action dito kay Bitcoin. Nung na-break natin yung 20-day moving average, nung na-break natin siya, we saw a continuous downtrend dito kay Bitcoin price action. So, right now, this is somewhat of a warning sign the moment na we broke the 20-day moving average. I think that is somewhat indicating na meron tayong potential weakness dito. But yeah, who knows kung ano yung pwede mangyari. This is just us analyzing the indicators na meron tayo. And yeah, right now, those are the things na nakikita natin for the time being. Take note if you want to open this next trade. Make sure to trade this guys kay BYBIT kasi kay BYBIT, mas mura natin Bitcoin trading fees. And if wala pa kayo account with BYBIT, make sure to use our sign-up link na you can find in the description down below. And if you want to learn how to open a new trade, you can actually check out our Gabbal Crypto 101 playlist na you can find in the description down below. But anyway, muna update natin for the time being. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye for now.